In this video, if you're researching the best camping gear for your own adventures, or just curious to know what kit they use, we hope you'll find this comprehensive rundown helpful and informative. Make camping life a breeze with our hand-picked selection of handy camping products. Be the envy of your fellow campers, and enjoy a relaxing time in the outdoors, whilst we set you up with everything you need.
If you like going out, spending time in the backcountry on adventures, things along those lines, at a certain point, if you want to have something warm to eat or drink, kind of get tired of Snickers bars for like 30 miles on the trail, I know, I've done that before, well, you need some way to cook or boil water. So enter the Stanley Adventure Camp Cook Set. The camp set is comprised of a number of components. Right here we have a locking handle. It will lock down, it will also lock up, keeping the lid in place. And the lid, obviously removable. And we have a series of holes along there, as well as another one here. So it can boil, let steam out, or you can keep the lid in place with the pot, pour it, empty water out there, basically drain water from whatever you're cooking. As I mentioned before, these cups are really well insulated. And if you get this to like a raging boil, and then pour it in here, it is going to be insanely hot, probably for quite a while. To that end, you may not want to get it to a violent boil. Just hot enough to where you actually want it, because these will keep it warm for quite a while, which, again, they're not super lightweight, but they come with a set and they nest inside this, and they work really well. It might not be the best choice. You're probably going to want a much larger pot. But for one person, or honestly, it still works really good for two. You might have to make your water and then they make their water for their meals. You can both make your cups of coffee in one pot.
This is pretty cool. It's like an off-grid pack, a survival pack, an outdoorsman pack, an outdoors. So guys, let's show you what you get.
Alright guys, so you get a hard case here. There is a flathead driver right on here. So you just pop these little tabs. Alright guys, so inside this box, you get an emergency blanket. You get, so this is like bungee cord that you can clip around as a bracelet. It looks like inside there's also a fishing line with a hook. Alright guys, this makes it easier. So you have a multi-tool, so check this out, that this little tool has. So guys, this is a wire saw blade. So you put your fingers in here, and then you just go back and forth for cutting. In here we have a fork, and it looks like a knife with a can opener, with a almost like a saw blade. So fork it, spoon kind of mix. That blade is definitely sharp, so be careful. Alright guys, then we have a pen, and this pen also acts as a glass breaker. Alright guys, then you have your fire starter here. Here you have a nice little flashlight. You can adjust the lens so you can make it wide by just pulling it. Alright, then we got this really cool knife. That's sharp. No pun intended. So flip it out. Looks like you got a rope cutter in there. Very nice. To close the blade, you just press right in here to the side, and that allows you to close it. And last but not least is this, which extends out. It's almost like, I wonder if this is for the to be used with the fishing line, because it extends the whole way and it's clear. I mean, it's see-through. So yeah, I wonder if it is used for the fishing line. Overall, very nice kit, my friends.
Hey everyone, quick review on this Oski's 3-season sleeping bag. As you can see here, this is the bag that it comes in. It's a nice size. It's not like an ultra compression bag that you have to just really clinch things down to get it in the bag. Fits nicely in the bag, but yet at the same time it's pretty compact, doesn't take up too much space. The bag has a cinch top, cinches up really nicely, and then it's got a stop on here, and you can throw it over a shoulder with the carrying string that comes with it. easy to carry around. This bag's got 3 different zippers and they seem like pretty good quality. As you can see here, you can open up the bottom of the bag like so. If you want to let some more air in, let your legs out, whatever. Zip that up. And then also, of course, you have your zipper up top here. Nice Velcro strap covers that zipper so it doesn't bother you when you're sleeping. But then you can zip down from the top as well. Another key benefit is that these zippers can actually be disconnected, so you can lay this sleeping bag out like a mat if you want to lay on it, or if you wanted to just use it as a blanket, you could do that as well. Well, in the bag that they give you, this one is really easy to roll up and it goes right back together, so even kids are going to be able to use this with a lot of success.
And today we have the Gearlight S1000 LED tactical flashlight. Is you don't get one, you get 2 flashlights. So let's open this up and see what we get. We have 1 flashlight, a tube, flashlight number 2, and another tube, some literature, and you see it, 2 holsters for your flashlights. Okay, let's see what the flashlights actually look like. You have a zoom where you can concentrate or widen the beam just by sliding in and out, and the power button is on the back. And then this is a shot of what the LED looks like in the front. And to install the batteries, you just untwist the end here, and you have this. It's just a little cage for the batteries, of course, and then you just simply drop this back in with the little springy point thing down, screw the cap on, and bam, we have light. And if you're wondering what this little clear tube here that comes with the flashlights are for, let me show you. You can open the back, pull out the AAA battery adapter, you slide the plastic tube in, and then if you have any of these 18650 rechargeable cells laying around, you can drop one of those in. And the tube is basically an adapter. Okay, and that is the full concentrated beam. You can actually see the shape of the sensor. And then as you slide the focuser back, you get a much wider beam. And then if you half press again, it gets dimmer and dimmer. This would be the strobe, SOS mode, solid beam, a little bit dimmer, and then flashing.
Qi wireless and solar power. Not just wireless power bank but wireless charger as well, compatible with iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and all Qi enabled mobile devices. Friendly reminder on solar. Kindly know that solar charging is an additional feature. Taking the small panel size, large capacity and uncontrollable sunlight intensity into consideration, the solar charging option works as a backup solution while other sources of power is unavailable. Make sure the power bank is fully charged before your trips. Sturdy, durable and compact size. The portable charger is made of premium ABS materials and lithium polymer battery, highly sturdy and durable. It's equipped with 2 USB, Type-C, dual flashlights and a compass kit. Lightweight and compact size. Dual flashlight and compass kit. The solar phone charger is built with dual bright flashlight and comes with a portable compass kit, a handy tool for outdoor activities like camping, cycling, fishing, traveling, hiking and beaches.
The future of projectors is laser power, and this projector is committed to using this technology to transform the entire industry. Carry around the home. The ergonomically designed handle allows you to conveniently move Cosmos Laser 4K to the bedroom or the backyard, wherever you want to watch movies. Start the movie in seconds with intelligent environment adaptation technology. Analyze your room to avoid furniture redecorations, then watch your screen automatically fit to your space without any disruptions to the action on screen. Make your movies shine with the intensity of 2400 ISO lumens, which is so bright you can even watch with the lights on, then watch every pixel pop in 4K UHD quality.